Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you two easy and beautiful wreaths that you can do easily on a budget. You can use them in spring, in summer, or even in your special events. Everything that I used are from Dollar Tree except one of my Willow wreath form that's from Value Village. My first one is this beautiful green floral wreath. All you need is a metal wreath form, 17 Greenery bouquet, and some wire. First, I grouped all of my bouquet because not all of them are the same. This helped me to scatter them around my wreath wisely. This Greenery bouquet is by far my favorite from Dollar Tree. They look really elegant. All I am doing is tucking the stems under the wire. I didn't use any hot glue here. When you add more and more, they support each other. And if you don't like their spots, you can easily change their places around the wreath, because I didn't use hot glue here. In case if you wonder what is this brown background, that's grocery bag. I use them to cover my table when I do my crafts. This is how the back looks. Now it's the time to secure them. I used just regular wire from Dollar Tree, but you can use floral wire too. That's what I had at home. I used my husband's multi-tool here. It's a really nice tool to have. It's from Leatherman. I used this tool to cut my wire and twist it. I secured my wreath from 18 spots. They are all secured, not going anywhere. Here is the test, I'm shaking it. That's the finished look. It looks very expensive, although it's less than 20 bucks. The second one is this gorgeous rose willow wreath. For this one, you need a willow wreath, 2 or 3 rose bouquet, depending on your choice, amaranthus, I hope I pronounced that word correct, and a little gold finch from Dollar Tree. I found this willow wreath from Value Village for only 3 bucks. Dollar Tree has willow wreath too if you wonder. And overall, this is less than 10 bucks. First, I separated my roses and their leaves from the stems. Since I had less pink roses, I decided to use them evenly distributed. I used hot glue to place my roses. Adding leaves gives very stylish look. You can either glue them separately to the wreath or you can glue the leaf directly to the rose. I used one bouquet of amaranthus. It has 6 stems and I used 3 for each side. Adding some greenery totally gives an elegant look. When I put my wreath on my door, I realized it needed something. Then I added this little goldfinch with its clip. This is from Dollar Tree, of course. This is so cute. I believe no one can guess this wreath is only $7. Make sure that you leave a comment down below which wreath was your favorite. And if you liked my video, please do not forget to give thumbs up, it means a lot to me. I am doing DIYs and shopping hauls on my channel. If you like these things, you can subscribe to my channel as well. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.